Get out the way. Get out the way. I'm coming right for you. Get out the way.
Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a Fast and Furious Toyota Supra issue 37 and 38. Usually I'll just do these one at a time, but not very much to do in these two issues. I hope everybody's enjoying these, and if you are, please do us a favour. Doesn't cost you anything. Hit that subscribe button and leave us a thumbs up, and if you want you can leave a comment and I'll always get back in touch with you. So without further ado, let's crack on. Okay, we'll go through the magazines first. Issue 37, quick flick through. And what we're doing is the fuel tank. So basically looks like cut together on one screw, and that's that. So 38 Toyota Corolla. Now I had one of them exactly like that, but mine was a two-door. What about that? Then we're going to do the catalytic converter and exhaust pipe, which basically not much, couple of screws, and we'll end up with that. So there's the parts for 37, so I'll get them opened and we'll crack on. Okay, we'll get this part. This part is a D-shape hole and a D-shape hole there. Fits in. Come on, go in. That would have been easy, you know. It'll line it up and go in, but come on. That. Put it in and turn it over and it falls out. Hold it there. Get a screw. It's in the plastic, so just tighten it down to the locks. That's that done. So what I'll do is I'll get the box, put that back in, put that in, put the lid in the box, put that away. There's issue 38. We'll get that open and we'll crack on. So we'll get this. We'll get this. I think just see on both sides, but one end fits in there, one end fits in there. Push that down. And we'll get this in there, and that's screwed in with two TP screws. So I've got them all ready. one. Get the other screw. And there's the second one. Okay. Looks like it's done with that. Looks like we'll now get this and this one, which is number 2. That goes on there like that. And we'll want an AP screw. Got 2, we only need 1. And that is going to go in there. Okay, we're going to need a CP screw. And we're going to get this.
I think one time. Sorry.
This goes in here. I'm going to make sure I've got it the right way around. Yes. Looks like it goes up there like that. Don't think you can go the other way. Or can it? No, can't go the other way. It's just too far from the hole. So, and this is going to go in with this. We've got a weird shape for that hole. So this goes in here, and I suddenly get the shakes. It's going at an angle. It doesn't want to go in. Weird. So I can start it. And then get it in. That was a weird one to go in. But it's going in at an angle. Now it wants to go straight. It's got that pushing at an angle and then it goes straight. But looks as though it's in. Then we're going to get this. There's a pin on here. This just pushes on. There's a pin there. that, it just pushes on. That's all of a past there, and make sure that's that. And there it's done. That looks like that, yep. So that's that done. So that's them two issues. So we've done that. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you again next time. As I say, please subscribe, it's free and it helps the channel, and give us a thumbs up, and you can leave a message in the comment. I always get back in touch. So bye from now.